Good morning. You better get up. We got a lot to do. Okay, first order of business is go in and get a shower and check out the laundry situation here. Here's the shower house, laundromat. It's all right here. Okay, so it looks like they've got some available. I think I'll go ahead and do some laundry while we're here. How much is it? $2.50. Not bad. Let's do it. Okay, laundry is going. I didn't know that the Amish smoked cigarettes. Chain smoking Amish. I didn't even know that was a thing. Okay, I got my shower. The water is good and hot. And here's how it works. You drop in 10 quarters. And as soon as that last quarter drops, you better be ready and all lathered up because the water just starts. But you can adjust the temperature and you can get it as hot as you want it. But just 5 minutes for 10 quarters. So after the laundry is done, then I need to make a run to the grocery store, get a few items, and then go do some more scouting around, and then go check into my new free campsite for the night. So the showers in the laundromat is very convenient to the campground. Campground is just right over there. There's the dump station right over there where that RV is. That was my neighbors last night, right there in that RV. I think they're from France. I think I noticed French language being spoken. Those Amish dudes are still chain smoking. It's just crazy. Okay, laundry is done. Grocery store run is done. And this is my next free campsite. This is the one that the couple gave to me because they had to leave early. Pretty nice. It's a pull-through kind of style campsite. See the loop here? And actually, you come in from this direction, so I think I'm really supposed to be turned around the other way. But you know, I gotta have my side doors facing the campsite, facing the picnic table and the fire pit. Yeah, it is just the right price, free. From this campsite, I can go right down the road here and I can hit the greenway and get to all the points of interest by riding the e-bike on the greenway. This is so convenient. Weather is amazing today. I thought it was gonna start getting hot. Last time I checked the weather, it said like 87 degrees, but it's more like 77. I'll take it. Out of all the places I could have settled in for a while, did you ever think it would be at the Grand Canyon in the national park? Never even crossed my mind. But it's been pretty easy here, pretty convenient. So after tonight, you know, I'll have to vacate this campsite. I'll probably go back to Camp Scully. And I'm just thinking, you know, hang around the Grand Canyon Park for another, maybe a week, who knows? Oh look, a free tent stake. I find these things everywhere I go, I always keep them. I got about 20 of them now. I think this is day number 5 here. I've kind of lost track, but it's just kind of easy here. You know, I don't have to do a lot of driving. There's a lot of stuff to go see and do. Of course, the grocery store is really expensive. Gas is really expensive here in the national park. But the upside of it is I don't have to get any gas yet. You know, I'm not only driving 5 miles every day or two, so hey, there's the restrooms right there. And a dumpster. Oh, and I see free potable water there too. Very convenient. Okay, my friends, short and sweet today. Thanks for watching. Take care, be well, and smash the bell.